Hey folks, feeling extremely downbeat about trying to get back into Studio One. I haven't made an album or made any music for a couple of years now. Well, about a year and a half. Trying to get back into it. So I'm just looking at some very basic tutorials on stuff like the chord thing. The tutorial that is shown online, Marcus shows, is where you click on one of these tracks, and over here somewhere it'll tell you what follow mode you're going to be using, what you can choose to use. I cannot find any reference at all. I mean, not reference, but any place at all over here where to add a follow mode. Like, there's no follow mode there. There's no follow mode here. I mean, where's follow mode gone? Is it? I'm just going crazy here. This is the very first thing I decided to try to do to refresh my memory, and I'm like struggling crazily with something so basic. I don't know what's going on here. Has the interface changed? I was just looking at a YouTube video here, which shows the follow mode over there. So I don't know what's changed. So anyways, I'd love to know what's going on there. Thanks. Cheers.